guys, welcome back to our reselling channel where we do a lot of what's sold, mystery unboxings like we have today, and haul videos.
I'm looking at myself in the camera.
We got a new camera and we got to figure out where we need to look. But anyways, we purchased another ThredUP DIY t-shirt box. There you go. I'll let you open it. She is the keeper of the scissors.
Bad idea, but you know.
Alright, all you have to do is cut the tape and you cut the box.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
so everything,
Okay.
everything is tissue papered, and there is a receipt. Paid $28 plus shipping, which I believe is $5.99. So
Put that box out of the way.
let's get the box out of the way. Hold on. Okay, here I'll grab a stack of t-shirts and you grab a stack and we'll sit them on our lap. Get the box out of the way. Oops! Ah! You kicked it. Move your feet.
Oh no.
It's shaking. Okay.
We have a tornado going on right now.
Okay, so we got, I think it's 25 DIY t-shirts. Most of the time they're in pretty good condition. This one is an Ivory Ella, Save the Elephants, size small. It's a purple long sleeve t-shirt. Here's the back. It says Love Ella. Super cute. Your turn.
My turn. Okay, this is Westwood Student Council.
Okay. Somebody named Song.
Number 26.
All
Or
right.
something. Okay.
Why did you say student council?
Stuco, Student Council.
Oh, is that what student council, Stuco is short for student council? Okay.
I didn't realize that until like, I want to say this year.
Oh, really? Oh, look it. It's a Southside Serpents t-shirt for all those Riverdale fans.
Oh.
It's a super small shirt. It is a size extra small by a brand called Ripple Junction. The front just has a little deal like that. That's really cute. I'm a Riverdale fan. Are you a Riverdale fan?
Oh, it's a little baby shirt.
Oh my gosh.
Thomas.
That is so adorable. It is a size 4T. I didn't know we were getting kids stuff, but that's pretty cute. My son would have wore that back in the day, and he probably did.
Yeah.
Urban Air Trampoline Park. This is a tie-dye. It says Get Up and Fly. This is also a kid's shirt. It's a kid's medium, really tiny. I mean, it could be like a teenager wearing like a crop top. I've seen that before. She's done that. She had her kindergarten shirt up until at least last year. She wore her kindergarten shirt as a crop top. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Yogi Bear. Yo, yo, yo. It is Hanna-Barbera. It is a S19, which I believe is a large, like, junior size. No. What is S19? I don't know. I don't know what 19 is. Man, there's a lot of little shirts in here. This is just an Old Navy extra large. Almost like a burnout tee. Still new with tags. It's white. Only if it was black, she could wear it to work. She needs more black shirts.
But I think we're getting, our uniforms are coming in soon. So, thank gosh. But, okay. I don't know how to read. Jackson Heights, New York City. Precious in his sight.
Okay. Alright. This is another little kids ones. It's Children's Place. Size 2T. It says keep calm and call grandma. I know I've had shirts like this for my kids when they were younger.
You should give that to Lincoln.
I should. I have a little nephew and he is what now, 6 months?
Yeah, he's either 5 or
He's
6.
little. No, it was like March, wasn't it? He was actually born in the car. His mom and dad are EMTs, and she was on her way to the hospital, and she didn't make it. And so she delivered him in the car herself down the road from the Starbucks. It's a good story. All right, your turn.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's cute. It's actual crop top.
Mhm.
All right, what brand?
Forever 21.
Of course, it's Forever 21.
I kind of like this though.
Yeah, I kind of like this one. It is a size medium. It is the Comfort Colors. It is just the Kauai Island shirt with the little turtle on the back. It's a long sleeve. Very cute. If only if it was my size. Oh, that's
Show
cute.
your pride.
Oh, that's cute. It's a little embroidered. What brand is that? Divided H&M extra small. Very cute. Only it almost looks like a kid size. It's so small. Oh, okay. Let's see. We do have a lot of kids ones in here. This is just a little t-shirt of a parrot. It's pretty small. It's the metallic though. I don't see a tag. Oh, wait, here's a tag. Just says,
Aries might wear that.
I think it's Italian t-shirt because it says Confezionato in Italy da 95% cotton spelled C-O-T-O-N-E, and 5% elastane. It says it's like a 9. Maybe that is a kid size. But yeah, my son probably would wear it. It's kind of cool. It's stretchy. I'll have to ask Aries if he wants it.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Pirates.
What size?
Oh, size, duh.
It's a Majestic brand.
Extra large.
Extra large. Okay. This is by the brand Canvas, which do all the cool graphics. It says all the things, but it's tiny. I think it's probably like an extra small. It's a tiny t-shirt, tiny graphic t-shirt.
Designed by Cara.
Oh, that's cute. Never heard of that. Designed by Cara. Create a better life.
I didn't know, y'all.
It actually feels really soft.
That's what I'm saying.
That's cute. She's gonna like this next one. It is The Office, but it looks like it might be a 3X, and it says that's what she said. That's what she said.
Made in Italy.
Oh, that's cute. What's the brand?
Made in Italy. There's no brand.
Oh, the brand's called Made in Italy, apparently. But that's cute. Is it supposed to be like that? I think it is.
Maybe we should ask the people in Italy.
We'll ask the people in Italy.
I'll ask, who lives in Italy?
I don't know. It's another another graphic t-shirt. It says Next Level. And it says, I'll eat you up. And it's got a little monster. Is that a monster? Yeah. What is that?
Oh, that is a monster.
That's cute. Okay.
Vineyard Vines. Oh, it's,
Cool.
yeah, this is the right way. Size.
It's a tiny size. So large is probably kids.
14. So
Yeah.
it's kids.
Is that supposed to be that way, or is it just that? I'm not sure. I think it's just that cracked and stretched. Maybe somebody actually wore this as I don't know. Looks a little dingy though, huh? Yeah, it looks a lot dingy. Okay.
Oh, it's your turn.
It's my turn.
It's your turn.
Okay, this is not a brand on here, but it says Trail Brake, established in 1978. It's a little motorcycle t-shirt, and I'm going to cover your face.
Okay.
It says the
Scratch my
Roadster
nose.
Life
Oh,
Company.
go back.
Sure. Here. Okay, there you go. Picture here. Oh, it looks like the little tag is coming off the bottom. Roadster Women. Okay. There's not that many great t-shirts in here this time.
Okay, I cannot find a brand, but
It's just a black t-shirt. It's too small for you though.
yeah,
Way too small for you.
way too small.
Crosses over the front like that. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. This is a divided t-shirt. The little stripes on the bottom, and it ties in the front. Kind of like that other crop top she had.
Mm-hmm.
Are you done?
No, I have one more.
Well, I have one more.
I had more than one more. Okay, this says, people aren't for sale.
Made in Cambodia. I don't know. It says extra small though.
I mean, you'd think that's common sense, but
okay. And the last one is this J. Crew Collections, extra small, but it's got
flamingos.
some flamingos. It's cute. Man, why are any of these t-shirts our size this time?
I know, I was looking forward to keeping one.
I know, usually out of the t-shirt box, she keeps about 3 t-shirts, which is good, and it pays for the whole box in itself because, you know, kids' clothes are kind of expensive, especially this girl. So, but all these were like actual kids' clothes or extra small, which, you know, I can't even get like over one shoulder, one boob.
My head.
So, yeah. But, I think it's okay. I didn't really see a lot wrong with it. We've had worse boxes in the past.
Yeah, we've
that
had
have,
worse.
yeah, that have had like actual damage to them, like holes or paint or something. But other than that one t-shirt being a little dingy, that was of the Vineyard Vines, I think everything else looked pretty good. So, I mean, if you're into, you know, reselling everything, then have at it. But me, I take what I want and I either give the rest away or just sell the stuff that I know that can make a little bit more money. So
We tried.
we tried. We saved 25 shirts from them probably throwing them away.
Yeah?
So why are you looking at me? Look at the camera.
I like looking at you. You're pretty.
Aww. You're so cute.
I know.
That's why she's my favorite.
I'm your favorite? I thought
So-
Aries was your favorite.
Sometimes.
Oh. Okay, that explains it.
when,
I understand
When
now.
Aries tells me that I'm smart and I'm pretty, he's my favorite then too. And he told me that I was cool this morning. He said, you know, I'm looking at somebody that's cool. And I was like, really, who? And he's like, you. I was like, aw, tear. So, anyways, if you like unboxings like this, mystery unboxings, be sure and like and subscribe.
Because
And
we do that.
yeah, we love unboxings and we love to do them.
I really just like opening the box.
She just likes
I mean, I like looking inside the box too. But I really like opening the box.
That's why she's the keeper of the scissors. Anyways, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you at the next unboxing. Bye.